Are you looking for the perfect camera strap that can carry your heaviest lens safely and can easily be installed and removed from the camera with just one touch? I have just the product for you from PGYTECH, their latest camera shoulder strap as well as the wrist strap. And both of these products, I have been using it for the last couple of weeks and I love them. They're already on my camera. So let me show you what they look like in detail. So first, let me show you the shoulder strap. The shoulder strap that I chose, this comes in fern green, but there are 4 different colors in total, so you can choose whatever color that you love. Other than fern green, there is night black and dark blue and rock gray. And there is something very special about PGYTECH camera straps. And this is the magic. The original quick release connector is the secret. It can carry a load up to 90 kilograms because this abrasion resistant lanyard is made of UHMWPE, ultra high molecular weight polyethylene. And this cable has the 3-layer structure. So if you do see any yellow layer when you're using your camera, then it's time for you to replace lanyard. The great thing is that there is a spare set of quick links in the box as well as the quick release plate plus a wrench. The wrist strap also has a spare quick link as well. So now let's really test it out in the outdoor. The aluminum alloy adjuster is very easy to use with just one hand to change the length of the band. And the strap has the tear-resistant Dyneema fabric. It resists tearing and prevents deformation. Both the inside and outside uses skin-friendly microfiber, so it's very soft to touch. This is such a simple way to tie my expensive camera to my wrist, really safe. I kind of prefer it sort of loose so that it is a bit shorter. The distance is a bit shorter with the camera. However, if you really want to make sure you have a tight grip on the wrist, then you're sort of handcuffed to your camera. In this way, it's much safer for the camera. The lanyard can carry up to 90 kilograms. Okay, my camera is not 90 kilograms, but definitely no issue in the drop test. The quick release connector is just easy to remove quickly with one thumb. Because the connector is exactly the same design for the wrist strap as well as the shoulder strap, I can just continue using the same connector for the shoulder strap this time, but on the both sides. Now let's explore the camera shoulder strap. The longest length is 142 centimeters, so you've got to be really tall to use the longest length. I'm 170, so just, do the calculation if you're a tall person. But you can easily pull it up using this mechanism. The shortest length is 1 meter, and I think this is perfect for me. And if you want to sort of just drop the camera, then no worries, because this string can carry up to 90 kilograms. And I don't think there's any camera that's like 90 kilograms that you would hang on your neck. The shoulder padding is made of the soft EPDM, so it relieves pressure, but the material is also very highly resilient. I noticed that the shoulder strap, this is perhaps the better way to carry. That's why it does have a bit of longer length. And this, I must say, is like a perfect length for me. I can just, take a shot and then drop it like this. A lot of times I'm sure you are using your camera without the string. It's so easy to take off like this. Simple. And you can put your camera onto your gimbal or your tripod without the string. Once the camera is gone, then you don't want to have your string just loosely on your body, because then you're going to lose it. But don't worry, because PGYTECH, and I have been using PGYTECH for a long time. I do always use their backpack, as you've seen in so many of my videos. Well, PGYTECH have come up with the new design that there are magnets in these ends. Done. Then you do have a complete loop, which you can fashionably have it around your body for safekeeping. Once I'm done shooting for the day, all I need to do is just quickly release the camera, and I'm going to put the camera safely away on my backpack.
which is also from PGYTECH. This is one more light backpack which I use all the time. So if you want to check out the video on the backpack, then do so in the link down below. I have the full review about their backpacks. So now I have this beautiful green grass suede. It feels so soft, so smooth.
There are 3 beautiful colors to the wrist strap.
So what am I going to do with this wrist? Well, it's very simple to keep away because there is a small magnet here and also a magnet hidden in the wrist as well. So all I need to do is do this. Then you have a little bit of fashion item. And you have the luxury camera safely packed away in the backpack because there is a safety zip in the backpack. So definitely camera safer in the backpack. And I have this wrist, which doesn't have the obvious logo like Sony, Canon, but it looks very fashionable as if you have the suede accessory on your wrist. And I must say, this is very gender neutral. A lady can wear it. And also I can see gentlemen wearing it as well.
So these PGYTECH camera straps, they are fantastic addition to all my gears and they're definitely keepers. So just like the backpacks from PGYTECH, these you will definitely see them more often in my video in the future. And if you guys want to know more about these little products that will last you a lifetime, then please don't forget to check out the link down below. And I'll come back with other interesting reviews. So please subscribe and like the video and see you!